Pragati. Perfect impressions. Playing with colors is our passion. It's not working. Next slide. 50,000 plus. You must be wondering what is this number I have written on the screen. I'm standing in front of 50 visitors, more than 50 people right now, and everybody must have 1,000 contacts in their phone. So those 50,000 people are my potential audience and are listening to me right now. Next. We are one-stop solution for your brochure, catalogs, dockets, technical literatures, annual reports, and all your printing needs. We have executed these designs for our various clients, and these are all printed and designed by Perfect Impressions. You can see brochure, catalogs. Next karte jao. 10 seconds next. Next. You can see various brochures and catalogs and handbills designed by us for our clients. These are hardbound books which have been designed by Perfect Impressions. Next karte jao. Fast moving slides. These are table and wall calendars which have been designed and printed by Perfect Impressions. Please look at the presentation carefully because there will be a quiz round after the presentations and we have some special gifts for all of you. Next. These are the printed carry bags, technical catalogs, labels and packaging boxes, which have been designed for various pharmaceutical industries, exhibition backdrops which have been designed and printed by Perfect Impressions. This is the work done for Kumar Engineering and this is the stall. We boast of the technical catalogs which we make. That is our USP. We understand your needs very properly and try to execute those technical catalogs in a very professional and understanding way. These are the customers. These are the very prestigious few of the very prestigious customers we boast of, which includes Carrier, Honda, Tata Power Solar 18, and we can connect you to all of them. So I'll be sharing this in the group after the presentation. We help you grow your business by offering high quality printed products and creative design by using knowledge and technology. We help our customers to feel happy, get more business and be more free. So now let us look into the more deep. Let's dive deep into the aspects that how we make our customers feel happy. This is a case study for KEPL. Mr. Rajendra Singh gave us his catalog to be designed, and this industry deals in electrical panels, humidifiers and hot water generator. So this is the previous catalog which we have designed for him. So these are the few design ideas and mock-ups which we gave him, and this is the output I'll be showing you. The left hand side is the older catalog which he gave us, and this is the newly designed catalogs which we made for him. So you can see the drastic difference that has been done with the old catalog and new catalog. The new ones look more professional, more polished, and it was printed in a very great quality paper, so the output was very amazing. So this is a testimonial which Mr. Rajendra gave us. He said, he quoted that excellent work is done by the team. The catalog is very impressive and exceeds his expectation.
Yeah, wonderful. Let's keep clapping for the testimonial. Keep it up.
So this is the kind of feel happy factor we give our clients. Now coming to the next aspect, that is generating more business. So I'll elaborate here by a case study of Tata Power Solar, which has been our client from past 10 years. So Tata Power Solar is one of the biggest rooftop installation competitor in the world of solar industry, and we've been working with them for past 10 years. So this is the world's largest rooftop installation, which was done by Tata Power Solar, which is 16 megawatt, and it is one of a kind in Radha Swami Satsang Bhavan, Beas. So these are the few glimpses. What we did for them was we designed beautiful brochures for them, which included technical data as well and needed a lot of handling. So we designed various brochures which was deep diving into various aspects of their business, which included educational institutions, high-rise buildings, RWAs, cold storages, manufacturing units, carports, residences having unused roofs. And these were the road show creatives which were designed by us and printed by us for them to display onto their vehicles, and it traveled a lot of miles and covered a lot of distance to penetrate market deep penetrate the market. So this was a testimonial by Mr. Rajiv Bakshi that he truly appreciates the hard work being put into the designs and high quality printed, which was executed by Perfect Impressions. So he told us that his sales figure increased many folds when these catalogs and brochures reached at the various levels. Now coming to the last aspect, more free. We help you to relax. You just give us our work and we help you relax. We understand your work so perfectly that you don't have to worry that what kind of design and output you will be getting from us, and because we work with knowledge, we upgrade ourselves regularly to give you the best in printing and designing and what is happening in the industry. Our group has more than 26 years of experience and we have serviced more than 500 clients right now. Wide industry segment. I know you must be hungry by right now. So whether it comes to dal makhni or butter chicken, we have done it all. We have worked with various industry segments and we have a wide exposure and learnings from those industries. And we boast of a very high customer retention rates. Few of our customers go back from 1996 and 3-tier. I hope I'm not making you sleepy again. So this is to represent that we have a 3-tier data backup system. So we have your data safe with us. Whenever you ask us for your data, we have the data from past 26 years since we have been working. So one of the client we are working for, Carrier, they asked for some file which was based from 1998 and we still have that in our systems. So that is the kind of safe, that is the kind of data backup we keep for the people. So now this presentation, now coming to the most important point of presentation, that how you can refer us to the people and how you can tell about us. So these are the points, memory hooks, that label print कराना है, catalog चाहिए, brochure बनवाना है, कुछ अच्छा सा designer को refer कर दो. So that is all kind of points you should be looking for while referring us. And the ask, I'll be sharing it shortly in the group. So these are my asks. I want to get connected into pharmaceuticals, agrochemicals, industries. And now it's the quiz time. So
Questions time.
Virat Kohli's photograph was printed on.
बताओ.
नहीं किस पे प्रिंट था? यस कैलेंडर. सर अभी आपको दे रही हूँ. 1 मिनट, कहाँ रह गए? अरे यार वो पीछे, ये रहा मिल गया. अच्छा. A slide had made in India logo. What was the name of company on that? No. Kumar. Yes, sir.
Very good. ताली बजाते रहो.
What was the designation of Mr. Rajiv Bakshi? नहीं.
Head of trade marketing.
Right. Kamal sir was right.
Okay, कमल.
Thank you. That's all for my presentation. Perfect Impressions. We believe in creating lasting impressions.
I want to give one test. Even I want to.